In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit Ethereum into your Binance account using the desktop or web interface. This quick and easy guide will ensure you can get your Ethereum onto Binance safely and efficiently. Let's start by getting logged in. Head over to Binance.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and then choose Fiat and Spot. Alternatively, you can simply click on the Deposit button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Now that we're in the Deposit section, choose to deposit crypto. You'll see a range of tokens, so go ahead and search for Ethereum, commonly abbreviated as ETH. This is your key focus when depositing this particular cryptocurrency. The next critical step is selecting the correct network. Binance supports a variety of Ethereum-compatible networks. You'll see ERC20, which is the Ethereum mainnet and the most commonly used one. There are also options like BEP20, known as Smart Chain, along with others like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base. It's crucial to select the exact network that corresponds with the one you're using on your sending wallet. If you're using a wallet such as MetaMask or Ledger, matching the network is absolutely necessary to avoid any permanent loss of funds. Once you've chosen the network, it's time to grab your ETH deposit address. You can either copy the deposit address displayed or use the QR code provided. For ERC20 transactions, the address typically begins with 0x. Don't worry about adding a memo, as it isn't required for Ethereum deposits on Binance. Now, move over to your external wallet, whether it's MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or another option you prefer. Paste in the Binance deposit address you just copied. Double-check that you've selected the correct network, say ERC20, and determine how much ETH you wish to send. It's always a good practice to start with a small test amount. This step will give you confidence that the transaction will process smoothly. Next, allow a short period for the blockchain confirmations to occur. Ethereum transactions are usually quite rapid, taking between 1 to 3 minutes, but do bear in mind that the time can vary with network traffic conditions. You can monitor the progress of your deposit by going into Binance's wallet section and then checking the transaction history. Once the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain and fully processed by Binance, you'll see your Ethereum appear in the Fiat and Spot section, also known as your spot balance. With that, your deposit is complete, and your ETH is safely in your Binance account, ready for whatever you plan to do next. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found the video useful, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials.